Drag hesitation. So drag hesitation is similar to reverse turn. So forward to side, close, and then with right foot back. This is normal reverse turn. So drag hesitation differs in third step. Man goes with left foot forward to side, then close without weight, lower, and next step will be with left foot back. Lady starts with right foot back, then to side, close without weight, and next step will be forward, outside partner with right foot. Man again starts with left foot, forward, to side, close without weight, lower, and with left foot back in CBMP. Lady's footwork. Lady starts with right foot, back toe heel, to side toe, close inside edge of toe, and lower toe heel left foot, and next step will be with heel forward outside partner. Man starts with left foot, forward with heel toe, then toe to side, close inside edge of toe left foot without weight, lower toe heel right foot, and next step will be with left foot toe heel back in CBMP. Now let's look at routine 4 to 6 off, reverse turn, then drag hesitation, back lock, and outside change. Man starts with right foot back to side, close, now drag hesitation, forward to side, close without weight, lower, back lock, with left foot back, back, cross in front, back and slightly to side, and outside change, back in CBMP, back, to side and slightly forward. And now lady steps, reverse turn with left foot forward to side, close. Now drag hesitation with right foot back to side, close without weight. Then lock step with right foot forward outside partner, forward, cross behind, forward and slightly to side, and outside change with right foot forward outside partner, forward and to side and slightly back. And now routine in slow motion with teaching count, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3. And now let's look at routine to music. And now let's look at hesitation change. It's similar to natural turn, when man goes with left foot back to side and close. And next step normally is with right foot forward. But in hesitation change ending, we will do slightly different. With left foot back to side, then close without weight, and we continue with left foot forward. And now all 6 steps of hesitation change. Man starts with right foot forward to side, close, then lower, back to side and close without weight. And next step will be with left foot forward. Lady starts with left foot, back to side, close, then forward to side and close without weight, and next step will be with right foot back. And now let's look at lady's footwork. Lady starts with left foot, toe, heel, toe, toe, heel, then heel, toe, heel, and inside edge of toe, right foot, and then next step, toe, heel. Man's footwork. Man starts with right foot, heel, toe, 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 heel, toe, heel, inside edge of foot, whole foot, and inside edge of toe, left foot. And next step will be heel, toe. And now routine, hesitation, change, whisk and chasse from promenade position. Man starts with right foot, forward, to side, close, back, to side, close without weight, then forward, to side, cross behind in whisk position, forward in promenade, to side, close, to side and slightly forward. Lady steps. Lady starts with left foot, back, to side, close, forward, to side, close without weight, back, to side, cross behind in whisk position, forward in promenade, side, close, side and slightly back. And now routine in slow motion, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. One, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. And now routine to music. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.